The scariest dog and spider sounds in the world.
But first, like and subscribe if this dog is cute, or else this cute spider.
Good.
What a good boy.
You're such a good boy. He's like, please take this off me. Good.
Crazy spider.
Peekaboo.
Baby chihuahua.
A spider bit a chihuahua's balls. Then the chihuahua evolved into a spider chihuahua. It does not have any special abilities except it has the craving to bite anyone's balls. But if you give this spider chihuahua a bowl of cereal, it will turn into a normal chihuahua.
But wait, this liar bird is cute. Or dog and parrot are your kill you, pug and big dog. Pug big and small.